The skies will remain mostly clear and dry, but the sudden drop in mercury will mean a widespread frosty start to Monday morning, the Met Office has warned. This comes after long-term forecasts predicted the coldest winter since 2010 for the UK, with potential lows of 15°C. Link to Yday's story. Meteorologist Chris Page told the Sunday Express, "If you are out on Bonfire Night celebrations this evening, I have some good news, because there is a lot of clear sky out there. But do make sure you take something to keep you warm and possibly dry." Temperatures will dip to the low single figures across the UK, bringing a mixture of sunshine, showers, and possible snowfall in parts of northern Scotland. The northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland will also experience rumbles of thunder. There will be blustery showers in the northwest of England, but these will ease ahead of the evening. The east coast will see the clearest skies, but any mild conditions will give way to a sharp plunge in temperature by the evening. Eastern and central England will have a bright start, but the mercury will struggle to rise above single figures. London and the southeast will experience mostly dry weather with sunny spells. The east will, however, remain cloudy with the odd shower. Mr. Page said, "You will need to de-ice your car first thing on Monday morning."